This video is about how to create another Reddit account. Now on your app, you can tap and hold on your avatar above here. Then go on to add a new account on this pop-up screen. You can also tap the avatar, then also tap your username and go on to add a new account. And on your settings, you can go to account settings, then tap your username next to switch accounts and go on to add a new account. And on this next screen, you can sign up with Google, Apple or email. And after that, you need to choose your gender, interests and communities. Then go on to style your avatar and your new Reddit account will be ready. And after making your Reddit account, you can tap your avatar above here, then go on to edit your profile. You also need to verify your email address on settings, and after that, you can share your profile and invite people to chat. And on this same screen, you can style your avatar more on Reddit shop and access other features like Reddit Premium, Karma and coins, and make other settings. And if you tap this three-line menu, you can create a community or subreddit and access suggested communities. And then down here, you can create your posts, access your own feed and more suggested subreddits, see your notifications and messages, and go to your chats. And you can always switch your accounts on this section or on account settings or even log out of your accounts. And to delete your account, you need first to access Reddit on your browser, then tap your avatar above here and go to user settings. And from there, you can go on to delete your account under the account section. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Reddit and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.